what's poppin', guys? It's your girl Jimmy. How you guys doing? I guess good. I know you guys miss me. I know. Stop screaming. You're screaming. You're a little too loud. Okay? All right, guys. I miss you guys so much. Now I'm not even gonna talk forever because I know what you guys want to see already. You guys want to know what's going on with your girl. Where's the changes, Jimmy? What you doing out here on these Houston streets? If you guys are on my Instagram, you guys already saw the picture that I posted and was like, spill some tea so you guys can sip some. No, I'm joking. But okay, this is I'm just gonna introduce you to somebody. Just come in there, this way. Yeah. All right, and guys, this is Asha.
Oh, I thought my name was These Nuts.
No, it is. I'm sorry.
Oh,
Take two. Take two.
Okay, wait.
Go back. Come on, guys. This is These Nuts. Yes, in your mouth. No, I'm joking.
Just kidding.
We're so stupid.
Hey guys.
Oh, let me scoot over.
Yeah, I mean,
It's
if
not
I could
about
just,
me.
scoot in a little bit, be in the frame, like whole face.
So spicy. All right. okay, guys. Yeah, this is Asha. Let's be real.
I'm still in the frame. Bro, I look long. Yes. My foot hurts. Yes. Okay, see you guys.
Well,
Hey, this is real life, right?
No, yeah.
Yeah, I think this is real life. So my name is Asha. Full name, sort of long, just a little bit. But Asha Hampton Finch. Don't forget the hyphen.
Oh, like the bird.
Like the bird.
That's a thing. You just slide it in there.
Okay. Speaking of slide, so how we met? Saw the transition there?
Yes, I loved it.
I received a message in my DMs.
From who?
Jimmy Got Soul,
Oh, okay,
ladies
that's
and
me.
gentlemen.
That's
Jimmy
me.
Got Soul. And it said, "Ooh, you fine. I want to get with you. Ooh, you single? What's your number be? Ooh, I like that. Ooh." That's what it said.
I object, Your Honor.
That's literally what it said.
I object. Guys, how I slid in her DMs was simply like...
Oh, you probably needed the whole...
Yeah, I needed the whole slide.
Okay. You see the leg
But
extension?
you see the leg. This is how I slid in her DM. And I simply was just like... Can I just say that I think that you're beautiful? The exact words that I said. Because guys, I saw her last year on my Instagram timeline. Like, I was just scrolling, and you guys know that I love dreadlocks.
Are these what these are?
And yeah, I think so.
I thought it was.
Yeah, they're dreadlocks. And
Pretty small, though.
I loved her dreadlocks. So I clicked her profile, and I was just like, dang. Oh my gosh, her hair is so long, dang. And I was in a relationship at this time, guys. So I just simply looked at the pictures and I left.
Like a good person, that's good.
Your girl's faithful, you know what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm.
But, a whole year later, like, if you guys don't know, me and Athena, yes, we broke up. It was time. Time happens, Yes, it was sad. It was really sad and depressing for a little minute, but I'm definitely healed, as Asha told me to say. But yeah, I'm healed now because they'll save that for later. But yeah, I just feel better. Now. It really hurt at the time, but it had to be that way. And I mean, we're in the process of being friends, so it's not really that bad, But yeah, okay. Where was I? So after the breakup, I saw Asha again on my timeline.
Yeah.
Like, how random is that?
I had just posted a picture on Instagram because I'm not not on Instagram like that, but I posted a picture of my trip. I went to
It was somewhere out of the country.
6 different countries in
Yes,
Europe. I
yeah.
backpacked with 2 of my other friends. So anyway, I posted a picture, and I guess that's what you saw.
Mm-hmm.
And that's when she slid into my DMs with the leg extension that we saw earlier. And I responded back, can I say that I think the same of you too? Because look at this girl.
Literally.
You're so
No,
beautiful.
I'm just ugly and crusty.
That's
and
not the
that's
truth at
yeah,
all. It's not even the truth.
Yeah, okay, yeah, she literally said that back. And mind you, I'm not thinking she's gonna reply to me. Like, I'm just like, look at this piece of art here. She's not gonna respond to a piece of dumpster like me. What are you?
Stop
Jimmy.
saying that. That's not even the truth.
I'm just like, Jimmy, yo, no, just give it your best shot. I had friends. Shout out to Lynetta. Shout out to Herschel.
Seriously.
Because they actually...
It's sort of like, you know.
And Juji. Shout out to Juji.
Oh.
Jabril. You already know. You already know. But yeah, they told me basically to message her. I messaged her. Didn't think I was going to get a response. I got a response. We started DMing, talking, but like casually. Like not even on nothing.
Nothing like that.
Even though I was on something.
Yeah, I'm sort of oblivious. Huh, mosquito. Had to punch it.
Good job. Good job.
I don't think I got it. But, yeah, I'm sort of oblivious to things. So, like, I didn't even know what was really going on until, like, I realized what was going on.
Until bow, 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 bow.
Oh, well, yeah, that. Oh, yeah. Anyway, so, yeah, we got each other's number, or I gave her my number, and then you texted me.
And then we just started texting, and then we decided to like meet up. Oh, guys, let me tell you, I didn't know she was in Houston.
Oh yeah,
That's another thing.
sort of weird how things work out.
That blew my mind. Where's the camera? Is it right here? Okay, that blew my mind.
I was looking at myself,
Like,
not in like a conceited way or
yeah,
anything.
no, it was
It's
pretty.
just like, wow, that's
pretty
me on the
conceited
camera.
of you,
I don't think so.
and I'm joking. You're so cute. I
You're
would look
cute.
at you too
You're
in the
cuter.
camera.
So what were you saying?
I was saying we decided to meet up, and we met up at Barnes & Noble's because
I was about to say Borders, but that
Yeah, you
doesn't
said that
exist
last
anymore.
time.
Yeah, that doesn't exist
and
anymore.
it's not Borders, it's Barnes & Noble's.
Excuse me. Barnes & Noble's is where we met. And I'll tell you, this girl was 30 minutes late.
No, I was not.
30 minutes late.
Okay, I was. I'm a
First
liar.
impressions, ladies and gentlemen,
I'm sorry.
and she was 30 minutes
This
late.
is what happened. Your girl was nervous, okay? Your girl was just like, I don't know, like, I literally haven't been single for like years, like 5, 6 years I have not been single. So I just didn't know how to.
So you just leave me waiting. I think that makes sense.
Yeah,
Meeting
but
someone for the first time.
you had fun. You was in Barnes & Noble.
I had fun.
Yeah.
Sitting there anxious and nervous and like waiting.
Yeah.
I made her come and find me since I was there early. Like I went and like hid by the anime section.
Yeah.
And then she found me 30 minutes later,
Yeah,
and
yeah,
we
yeah,
started
seriously. Yeah.
talking and haven't been. We've been inseparable ever since.
Yeah, we just vibed right off the bat. Like it was weird. It's like I feel like I knew her already.
Yeah, you're cool.
Like you're a little cool too.
Little cool. That's good. I'll take that.
Okay. Yeah, you woke up.
It means
to
a lot. Yeah.
It. Yeah.
Get up there.
All right. That
Levels to the coolness.
Okay. A little bit off.
Levels.
Off camera.
I didn't. I didn't mention this before, but because it should have been like the beginning of me talking.
Oh yeah.
But it's really awesome to meet you guys. Jimmy has told me a lot about her gymsters and how much you guys mean to her, and all of the support that you give her, and all of the love. Even the haters out there, saying your interesting comments, that's fine.
Thank you guys so much.
We take that and we improve upon ourselves.
Yes, we do.
In this channel.
Yes, we do.
But it's nice to meet you guys for sure. And
shake their hand.
Oh. Wait, which
That's
angle?
not their hand, that's their head. It's over there.
So this way?
Yeah.
Nice to meet you. Hope you put your hand up, else this is pretty awkward. But, it's cool. I hope to be seeing a lot more of you guys, and I hope that
you guys will see a lot of her because she has these.
She's using me. The whole point of this relationship is to use me for
I
dread
don't
videos.
really like her. I just dreads. You know?
This whole thing is fake. Okay? So just watch the dread videos. Don't worry about this. Doesn't exist. I got this too.
I know, that was too much.
Yeah,
that was too much.
Wow, you took that to the next level.
I did, I'm sorry.
It's fine.
I like you.
I like you too.
Okay.
Okay, anyway. Yeah, that's literally our story.
Oh, but I didn't say who asked who out.
Okay, you can continue. Sorry.
Okay. So, as we were hanging out and stuff, you know, chilling, it was her birthday.
Oh, yeah, literally.
Yeah, it was her birthday.
The next week?
Like the next week, yeah, it was her birthday.
Hey, shout out to Libras. Woo, Libra gang.
Come
Yeah.
on, Libra gang, squash.
Okay, anyway, yeah. Sorry, I had to do
So
that.
I took her out for her birthday to this place that I don't remember.
Main event.
Main event?
Oh, I'm tripping.
Yeah, it was a food place.
That was after.
Yeah.
Okay, so before we went to have fun with arcade stuff, we went to a place called Cajun Crawfish, I think.
Cajun crawfish.
Boiled seafood and stuff. I'm a pescatarian, so I eat like shrimp
Yeah.
and salmon and fish and stuff.
Yeah, no beef, no pork, no chicken,
No.
none of that. So I got her, you know.
Yeah.
So I took her out to this place, and we were eating and stuff, and we were vibing as we always seem to do every single day.
Can't really shut that off.
Yeah, we can't stop that.
Mhm.
So I just remember saying how I felt about her, and saying that like I was nervous as crap, but like I wanted, you know, girl, I want you.
Oh. Do you?
Yes.
So
I said I
in
want
between
her.
bites of potatoes and corn, you're like,
Yes.
hey, you wanna be my girl?
For real.
Like I think a corn like shot off into my eye.
Yeah,
like,
it did.
Get the corn out.
It did. No, seriously.
Hey, let's not go there. But you know, I have to check people real quick because you know
The mind.
our minds
No,
are,
yeah,
are
my
in
mind's
sync
the same.
with what I just. We'll just sleep there.
Mhm.
But anyway, yeah, she asked me to be her girlfriend, and
To be her girlfriend.
we're here. So I think I said yes.
Yeah, I think you did say yeah.
I think so.
I think you did.
I think so.
Pretty sure.
I think we're together. This is my girlfriend,
Hello.
Jimmy.
Got so. How you doing?
From now on, I will refer to her as Jimmy Got Soul in its entirety.
Really?
No, it's a lot. I'll probably just say Jimmy
Alright.
or babe.
Okay, that works too. But yeah.
Okay. What else? Then we went to the arcade.
And then we went to the arcade. And then here we are here. So guys, our relationship is really fresh. So it wasn't like I wasn't hiding her. You guys saw her the whole time. I don't think you guys knew like who she was to me at that moment, you know, because you guys probably thought I was still with like Athena or whatever. But
She wasn't cheating.
No,
She's
guys.
not a bad person.
your girl's not a cheater. I may cheat on a math test or two, but I'm not a cheater like when it comes to relationships. Okay.
Right.
Okay.
Very faithful. So I'm also
Super faith.
super faith.
Super faith.
Soup's faith.
Soup's faith.
So this may be a while.
The longest relationship I may ever have.
The last.
The last. And that's
Is it okay
all
to speak that like into existence?
Yeah. It's like we are on the same page with everything.
Mm-hmm.
With like we both want to get married.
Mm-hmm.
That's a big thing for me. I really do want to get married.
Mm-hmm.
I don't want to like date. Like even though you guys like you're probably like, Jimmy, you're so young, blah blah, dating, go out dating, do this, do that. But it's like that's not me. I want a like solid relationship. I'm looking for a wife. I'm not looking for another girlfriend. You know, I'm looking for someone to grow with and all that crap and stuff. And
All the cheesy stuff.
all the cheesy crap. That's all I want to do.
That's, call us old school. I'm not out here trying to find side chicks. And
Yeah, no, I don't want a side piece, know what I'm saying? I want a main piece, know what I'm saying?
Yeah,
Man,
that's cute what you're doing.
like that, man.
Yeah.
I'm so ugly. Man.
That's cute.
Okay, it's
It
cute.
is. Mm-hmm.
Okay, I'll keep doing it.
All right.
Okay.
Maybe not
Okay.
anymore.
All right.
Um,
Stop.
same thing. What she said. Like we're on the same page. You know, future kids and all that other good stuff.
Yeah.
But you know, baby steps.
Yeah.
Baby steps.
You get it? Baby steps.
Sorry it took so long.
Yeah.
I didn't mean to. Well, I was gonna say I didn't mean to steal our way, but I didn't steal anything. You know what I mean? We just
Yeah.
were taking forever.
Yeah. Because we were gonna make a video, and we always ended up doing something fun. Like we just been having fun,
Enjoying each other's time together. This
right
is
now. And now we finally made the video.
Yeah.
We're gonna do something fun after this, but we actually made time to record this. You know what I'm saying? That's for you guys.
There's more to come.
We're gonna do so if you guys like want a
You do the
specific
math.
video. You did it now. Shout out to Netta and her
Netta.
show. Yeah. If you guys want to see like specific videos, don't be afraid to just comment that in the comments. You know what I'm saying? Like anything with her hair or challenge videos or
Oh gosh.
cover your ears.
My ears?
Yeah, cover them.
Or their ears?
No, yours.
What's going on?
Just cover your ears. Or if you guys want to see, can you hear me? Testing 1 2. You look like
I can hear
Louis.
everything you're saying.
Okay.
But I'll close my eyes and go like this.
Pranks, then don't comment that below. Actually, Snapchat me that or DM me the pranks that you want me to do, because if you put the pranks in the comments, she's gonna obviously know. Okay, go. And that's it. And that's why I love booty.
Oh, you told them. Wait, what did you say? You love what? What do you love?
Booty. That's why I was just telling them.
I don't know what's going on here, but
You don't know. Well.
oh, I'm
Oh,
6'2", by the way.
Oh, because I know people was gonna ask that. I was just gonna say that. Yeah.
Well,
I'm
again,
5'7". She is 6'2". How do I feel about dating a tall woman? You know what? I feel great. Because at first I was just like, how am I gonna do this? And then it's just like, oh my gosh, I get to fit right in her like a little
No,
potato.
seriously.
Like I fit right here like a little potato. And it feels so comfortable. I feel like a little midget. I'm
shout
tall.
out to any midgets out there.
I'm
There's
tall.
no offense. We love all people.
I love midgets. Midgets are...
I don't think that's even a nice word, probably, to say.
Oh no, you
To say
said
midget.
it. You said midgets.
I didn't say midget.
You said mid. You said
You
midgets.
said midget.
She said midgets.
You definitely said midget.
said
I did not
midgets.
say midget.
Let's
You said it
rewind.
first.
Let's rewind that. And it feels so comfortable. I feel like a little midget.
I feel like a little midget.
We'll see who is the winner of this first bet here. If I said midgets, I owe you a spicy
Meatball.
noodle challenge video or something.
Ooh,
Something spicy. I don't like spicy food. Sorry.
I love spicy.
And if you said midget, what do you...
If I said midget, I will
You
run
have to eat...
across the street in my birthday suit.
No, I don't want you to do that.
But I want to do it.
That's just an excuse to be naked outside. No. My goodies. My goodies. I really didn't know
I was
the
thinking about the
words.
same thing, and we was like off.
Oh, you're on a different... you're on a different thing.
Yeah.
Of course.
Yeah.
Anyway, so we'll wrap this up. Again, nice to meet you, Gymsters.
Nice to meet you, Gymsters.
You already know them,
Oh yeah,
because they're
my Gymsters.
your Gymsters. But hey, you'll probably be seeing a lot more of me. I'm sorry for this video taking so long.
Yeah,
but
sorry.
It is here now, and there are many more to come, and we have lots of adventures for you guys. And I am pretty excited to meet you and get to know you and entertain you.
Yes.
Yeah?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Tell them bye.
Bye.
Okay.
Bye, guys.
Bye.
See you guys. Know you guys are awesome. More videos will be out, I swear, all the time now, because after this one, now we can just throw stuff out there. So yeah. So stay cool, stay fresh, and stay locked.
Peace.
Peace out.